guys, welcome back, and this is Crafty Kid Carby, and my name is Crafty with Roblox, and here's my profile. Shout to speaking, I've done a video of that. Well, he's probably playing with his friend. He is a kid. Okay, so now this video is all about creating a shirt. And now, okay, so go to roblox.com, sign in, and you have to be in the home page, and which is roblox.com, www.roblox.com/home. It needs to have the /home. And then create. We press create and you should see this. This is only the 2024 guide because I think they're making some changes. So we're going to go, where is it? Here? Yep. Avatar items. Clothing, you go classics. Because all that stuff in, all this is the bodies, clothing, and accessories. All are in Blender. We're going to do that next Roblox tutorial video. So we're going to go classics, and then we're going to go. Is it me? Yeah. So here's thing me. So I'm going to go to roblox.com, guys, and I will have this open, and then I should go what is it again? Yeah, avatar, and then I will take off this zipper and look at this. This is how realistic my abs look. Guys, this is one of the things including. I got nothing to make me look naked. But I just bought that for fun. And then I've got me, Rip, Scarepan, Star. I've got a redraw. I'm going to refresh it. Me. So this is what my shirt looks like. I could look in my history and share the link to you guys in the description if you want. Okay, it's not lying. I'm just going to put the zip play on, and then I'm going to go back to create a dashboard, and then let's go upload asset types: t-shirt, shirt, pants, decal, audio, video. Okay. So we could say that's just some of my creations. That's for Barbie dolls for summer. My Stitch face. Meme glasses. Duh. Okay, I'm just going to go this and look. So we're going to, should we call it, muscular man. And then description t-shirt. And we're going to upload it. and now it's off sale, which means that it's only accessible to us. Okay, guys, we're going to go back to Avatar Air and Roblox.com. Okay. Let's go muscular, zippy tail, and then muscular man. And let's see what happens. I am waiting for Christmas. I am waiting for Christmas. And now I look like this. Hit my muscle man. And then, where's my, carving, no. Left leg. The Roblox boy. And then the right leg. Roblox boy. And now I look a lot better. My torso. Man torso. Would the man torso look better? The Billy torso. The Roblox boy torso. Let's see what's best. No, that does not look nice, guys. Guess I'll just have to do the Roblox boy. Now, guys. Yep. Now let's upload an asset. Another asset. Okay, guys. I'm just finding something. Let's search up Roblox face shirt. Okay, guys. Wait patiently. Yep. Now, guys, I'm back. I'm going to refresh the page. Now let's upload. Huh? My downloads? I'll just try one more time, guys. Okay. Not coming through. here. Guys, I'm just picking. Can you guys let me pick something from it? Guys, just let me pick. Okay guys, I can't find anything. So guys, guess what? Let's just do a shirt of Ruby. Shirt. Now guys, let's go here. How'd that look under the zip plate? Alright, let's go ahead and buy skin tone. And then you could go advanced, torso, white, done. So this is just the torso. So it must look right. Yes! Now I've got my own Ruby t-shirt. Like you can pick any color background. All you've got to do is advance torso and then that'll pop up. That background will pop up, like the background of the Ruby, the background of the image you put on. So now I've got my own Ruby shirt. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial and bye.